Dr. Zaman, London, UK. I am inspired by your logic. Can we, husband and wife, pray regular salah in Jamaat at home under this lockdown situation? Yes, because of the lockdown situation, you cannot go to the mosque. So it is recommended, highly recommended, or rather a fard for the gents at least, that they should offer the 5 times salah in Jama, in congregation at home. If you have family, get all the family together. If you are only alone with your wife, then see to it that you pray with Jamaat. It is not preferable, it is fard to pray in Jamaat. But when you pray in Jamaat with your wife stands behind you. She does not stand in the same row as you. You are the Imam, your wife stands behind you, exactly behind you, in the next row. If you have a family of many children and your wife, etc., then the second row will be of your sons, or maybe your father, whoever is there, and the third row will be of the ladies. There will be 3 rows. But if you and your wife is there, you should pray. It is preferable. You being a gent, you should pray in Jamaat. Allah said that you get 25 times sawab as the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. So my recommendation is, yes, you should pray in Jamaat.